Hello, and today we will be displaying our 611th video. The products displayed will be variety of embroidery products in tussars, lambanis and many more party wear sarees. So watch the video. I am Lalia and Sanskriti Kolkata's first product number 1. It is in a embroidered tussar. Beautiful color combination and the lower work दामन में बहुत सुंदर काम है इसका. I love this work. This I've been doing in many colors. This is a new fresh grayish aqua color. Sky का एक earthy tone है इसमें, बहुत unusual color, very rare color. The body is highlighted with small mirror work, hand mirror work. Price mentioned in the video. This is the saree. Amazing embroidery. This embroidery is so rich, so bold. And the blouse piece is totally in contrast pure silk, matching with the thread color of the flowers. Flowers and leaves के जो ये देखिए flower के साथ जो leaves है उसका color के साथ ये blouse matching है. Superb look, and you can wear your gorgeous neck pieces with this saree. It gives a gorgeous style statement and overall look is excellent. Number 2, I have a similar piece in a different color. So we give options for you to select from. See, henna, this color is also pretty. So these are little bit of earthy colors which very difficult to say exact color. But I would say it's a hot chocolate color, you know, milk and chocolate powder, and it gives a very yummy taste. Similarly, this gives a gorgeous look. This color is superb. It's a fudge color. And with this, you have a running blouse piece, not contrast, same tussar fabric. The blouse piece may similar mirror work will be there, and this is the saree. Look at the fall. Lovely embroidery, lovely pleat, gorgeous fall, narrow border, upper border, there's no border. The lower border is just superbly thread work embroidery done. A style statement embroidery in the daman work. Now I'll show you an exclusive saree, a gorgeously different woven saree where we've done thread work, of course. Upper and lower border is a woven border and the body is a tissue muslin. It's a woven saree where the lower and upper border is in woven mathap silk par, and then multicolored handmade tassels, chikankari work in the lower border and machine jal in the body. Color is a lime skin color, touch of green in a yellow color shade, so that gives a very nice lime look. Unusual combination, especially with the multicolored tassels. The blouse piece will be in stripe, zari, weave. Of course, the border is there. So you see, this is the weave of the saree. Black and charcoal, charcoal black with red. It's a superb piece. So these sarees are specially handcrafted, hand woven to make these kind of designer look. The total look, when you drape it, it will be very, very unique. Second color option of the similar concept is this grey with the red and black again border. Lightweight sarees, इतना कम है फिर भी इसका weight हल्का है. 10,500 pure hand woven saree comes with this blouse piece. Very nice. So I have these party wear chantilly lace without any work. So many, I've been showing laces with different type of borders and buttas also, stones work. So many of you were asking for normal chantilly lace without any work. So here are these new collection of these lovely chantilly lace, which these are all imported lace, soft, not stiff ones. These are soft pure lace ones. And in lovely colors also. Lovely colors, and see the, I'll just show the, see, this is the softness of the sari. Very pretty, sober look, ideal for cocktail wear. And since you've asked me not to do any embroidery, so I couldn't, just give a plain lace sari. So I thought of doing these kind of designer blouses for you. Very difficult to match the correct blouse. So these blouses are custom made with all over self sequins. In a similar shade, it's better not to wear any contrast with these lace sarees. They look very elegant and classy with a self-to-self blouse. The blouse is adjustable. See, it's side open. This is our finish. So till 34 to 40, you can stitch the blouse. 34 to 40 size, you can stitch the blouse. Just one stitch from both sides. Back में it is already with zip. So only घर में ही आप कर सकते हो. एक stitch बस आपको यहाँ से एक stitch डालना है बस. Okay. So price mention, and it's a beautiful, beautiful piece. The other one is this salmon peach pink color. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, so if you want to visit our branches, visit 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches, and cash on delivery option we do provide in Kolkata only. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. Courier charges you need to pay, and if you want the tailoring to be done of your blouses, you can connect to the tailoring department. After payment, we'll connect you, and once your measurements will be there with us, in future you can stitch the blouses and we can courier. Pure chantilly lace soft sarees, ideal for summer cocktail party wears. This is the back side. Very good finishing with cups and self sequins. This one we've done, so giving options those who want a little bit of highlights. So I've not done much, but just to give it a nice different designer look. In this, since just note, in the previous lace sarees there were zari, very high quality zari dhaga throughout the weave. In this, there is no zari. That is the reason I've selected few of rhinestone to be embellished in the flowers. So see, this is giving a different look altogether. Color is a fuchsia color, salmon. This is a pinkish, light rose pink color. 8500 range wise, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है because these are in pure lace. This is the blouse piece. Satin blouse. You wear shapers with this. You get nowadays you get so all the colors online. Shapers, तो petticoat, तो वो वाला खरीद लीजिए. इसका एक फिश स्केल जो लुक आता है ना, मरमेड कट जो पेटिकोट्स आता है, बहुत सुंदर लगता है इस टाइप का लेस साड़ी से. नॉट नेसेसरली यू हैव टू वेयर अ सैटिन, यू कैन वेयर अ लाइक्रा पेटिकोट. वो शेपर्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है फिगर. Bollywood all wear these kind of shapers, these kind of sarees na. Bollywood actresses, Bollywood goes totally with the shapers. This is a tussar kota, pure with machine embroidery, yellow color. Haldi ke liye, summer haldi mein where you need to wear light weight sarees, yet yellow color. So this is a very pretty shade of yellow. बहुत खूबसूरत इसका येलो शेड है. ये ब्लाउज पीस आएगा इसके साथ. और दिस इज इन प्योर टसर कोटा. मटीरियल इज टसर, वोवन इन अ कोटा स्टाइल. कोटा मीन्स दैट वीविंग कोटा जो आता है ना, चेक वीव. और बहुत लाइट वेट भी है. इसमें 2 कलर ऑप्शंस हम दिखाएंगे. एक बार पल्ला देख लीजिए. 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 में you'll get many budget friendly sarees, and the tailoring unit is there in both the branches. The menswear collection and jewelry collection only in the Cornfield Road branch. And there I keep shuffling in both the branches, so you will definitely find me in any of the branches. I'm regular in both the stores, so please visit. Pujo collection, festive collections have already started coming in. This is the blouse piece. So all those that I'll be showing you from now onwards are all festive collection. For gifting purpose, for yourself, for Shaptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami. So many occasions lined up now. Many occasions, so you can select what you wish to, and regularly I'll be showing you new collection. Like see, Lambani is so much in demand, but many of you don't get Lambani because of Touchwood. It sells out very fast. So this time I made some budget friendly in semi tussar Lambani, hand Lambani in semi tussar. Price 4990. The pure tussar ones are above 11,000. The semi ones are within 5,000, less than 50%, just because of the fabric. This is a very pretty fabric though, a nice peacock blue color. And see, it's, you can wear it to corporate meetings also, for office wear, for travels, because it's nice. It has a nice sleek narrow border with chota bootas and a very nice sober handwork palla. So semi tussar with hand embroidered Lambani. So I'll show you the color options. Just immediate. This is a maroon color. Lovely border and pallu highlighted sarees. The fabric has a satin finish with blouse piece. So I'll just show the blouse piece. All the blouses will have little work. So this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. So work is there in the back and the sleeves. Here is the saree. Very, very nice लुक, वर्क इज बहुत घना हुआ सोबर वर्क है, ज्यादा हम वर्क नहीं है इसमें, बॉर्डर पल्ला कॉन्सेप्ट ब्लाउज वर्क, बट लुक पहनने के बाद बहुत सुंदर लगेगा क्योंकि इसका वर्क बहुत अच्छा काम है इसमें, सोबर वर्क है. दिस इज अ मिडनाइट ब्लू शेड and very nice colors. The semi silk colors are very pretty colors. So take the screenshot for booking and WhatsApp only 7603042696. First come first serve basis. After you are making the payment, the booking will be confirmed and we will courier it to you after 2 to 3 days. Join us our Facebook live videos. We alternately do Facebook live, so you can please join us our videos. So different kind of sarees are displayed there also. Whichever is convenient for you, take the screenshot. Don't message in multiple numbers. Any one of the numbers that's going, even the payment details, send the place where, send the mobile number where you've got the confirmation. Sometimes what happens, suppose you are taking the you've got the confirmation from 7603042696, but you are making the you are sending the payment and your shipping details to both the numbers, then there is a bit of confusion, so message in only one number. You will get all the replies. I personally answer 90% of the messages in 760 number. I love to stay connected with you, which is why I'm involved in every detail of this passion that I show in this business. 8990 hand catch work in semi tussar. Hand catch work in semi tussar, बहुत काम है इसमें, बॉर्डर भी बहुत खूबसूरत है, very beautiful combination also, and these are premium quality semi tussar, skin friendly and comfortable to wear. Moving on to a very gorgeous new piece for Pujo special. New piece, I would say these are ideal for your party wears also. Pure tussar. Just I'll explain in details the concept. बहुत मेहनत किया इसके पीछे हमने. So ये peach color का tussar है जिसमें हमने additional कोरा organza attach किया, and then with this gota lace we've done this hand work and machine flowers. machine और हाथ मिलाकर ये scallop embroidery border में है जो एकदम finishing देखिए. I always try to show the finish. देखिए पीछे में कितना सुंदर finishing हुआ है, कोई धागा नहीं है, कोई skin में चुभेगा ऐसे कुछ है ही नहीं, फिर भी इसके सामने इतना सारा काम है. This is our finish. And we could have attached this kora border on this, but we didn't. We cut out the extra sari material in the tussar part and then we attached this kora with the work to make the sari light and have this transparency of the kora as well. Superb concept. And even in the body we've given lace stripes stitches throughout the sari, without any sequins, without any kardana, without any mull, without any bead work. कितना सुंदर एक rich look आया है सोबर साड़ी में. और अब जब पहनोगे ना ये, इसका ब्लाउज देखिए, just superb. I kept one for myself also. I love this. ठीक है? So another color option. Actually, this was ready about a month ago. I thought कि मेरा ब्लाउज बन जाए तो हम वो पहनकर एपिसोड करेंगे. इतना प्रेशर है ब्लाउज स्टिचिंग का, मास्टर जी मेरा ब्लाउज छोड़ के सबका दे रहे हैं, तो मेरा साड़ी अब तक मेरा ब्लाउज नहीं बना, तो आई couldn't wait any longer, so thought of ठीक है दिखा देते हैं, I'll wear again another in one of the other episode, maybe in the live video. I'm the neglected one. मास्टर जी हर बार मुझे नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं, मेरा सबसे लेट डिलीवरी होता है, मेरा फिनिशिंग सबसे खराब होता है, सबका अच्छा होता है, मेरा फिनिशिंग मुझे पसंद नहीं आता है। ठीक है, एनीवे होता है ये सब। दो तीन मास्टर है, सबका अलग अलग, कोई सिर्फ कफ्तान बनाता है, कोई सिर्फ प्रिंसेस का ब्लाउज बहुत अच्छा बनाता है, इसी हिसाब से आई गिव द वर्क टू डिफरेंट मास्टर जीज। माई मास्टर जो आई गिव बहुत पुराना, बहुत साल से काम करता है, थोड़ा सा इतना साल से काम कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा स्लो हो गया है, बट his work is very good and he's a gentleman person, so I have to wait for him, उसका मूड के ऊपर क्या करे। ये कलर और एक बहुत खूबसूरत कलर है, this is a grayish aqua color and an amazing rich unusual shade, बहुत सुंदर है ना, ये बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है। अब थोड़ा दोबारा दिखा रहे हैं हम थोड़ा सा बजट फ्रेंडली साड़ी, अगेन इन आर्ट टसर। हाँ, ये लुक पूरा हैंडलूम का लुक हुआ है, लेकिन ये पूरा सेमी में है। देखिए ये सब टसर बनारसी का लुक का वीविंग हमने करवाया सेमी में, उसके ऊपर हैंडवर्क। 4750 साड़ी का प्राइस है, हैंडवर्क पूरा बूटा यूज हुआ है विद ब्लाउज पीस। सो 4750 में एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत साड़ी है। देखिए आज जो हम दिखा रहे हैं बहुत नया कॉन्सेप्ट्स दिखा रहे हैं आपको, है ना। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पसंद आ रहे हैं तो, और कमेंट कीजिएगा। आई रीड ऑल योर मैसेजेस, आई रिप्लाई टू योर मैसेजेस। So very pretty sari and lovely shades I'll show you in this. Lovely shades, see, it's just giving a tussar Banarasi look. The colors are very rich. Base color सबका black ही बना है, ये रात में पहनिए शाम को, बहुत सुंदर है क्योंकि इसका border का colors बहुत rich borders का colors यूज है। इसमें जो पल्लू है देखिए ये हैंड वर्क काथा का है, ये पीछे में आप देखकर समझ में आएगा कि ये वाला हैंड वर्क है, धागा दिख रहा है पीछे से, और ये वाला ऑल ओवर बूटा। ब्लाउज में भी क्यूट वर्क है जो आपका स्लीव्स में आएगा। सेमी का जो फैब्रिक है, हम कोई भी फैब्रिक, हर स्टेज से तो हमारा फैब्रिक आता है, बट कोई भी फैब्रिक विदाउट सीइंग सैंपल आई डू नॉट ऑर्डर। ये क्योंकि ये बल्क में आता है, अराउंड 800 मीटर 900 मीटर वाइट पोत आता है सबका, उसके ऊपर ये सब वीविंग करना है, उसके ऊपर ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी करना है। ये तो वीविंग है लेकिन जो डाई करना पड़ता है वो सारा पीस 800 मीटर वंस आई ऑर्डर, नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ रिटर्निंग। So obviously I have to be sure that I get the best quality. So always I order sample. I go personally to different states to see the quality, the loom कैसे बन रहा है. If it's skin friendly, of course budget के लिए थोड़ा सा compromise करना पड़ता है pure और semi में. But the quality should be the best in that category. See this black with this blue, so unique it is looking. कौन बोलेगा कि ये 4750 है with handwork? So संस्कृति में आपका हर रेंज में हर पॉकेट के लिए प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेगा, अलग अलग टाइप का हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स रेगुलर आता है। हाथ का काम होता है ज्यादातर, इसलिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, लेकिन टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट साड़ी Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp payment via Paytm, bank, GPay or whatever is convenient to you. We ship worldwide. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. Now I'll show a pure tussar. This is such a gorgeous sari now. A zari woven pure tussar. उसके ऊपर जरी और बॉडी दोनों में बहुत फाइन वर्क हुआ 11,900. वर्क थोड़ा कच्ची वर्क टाइप का है लेकिन मशीन वर्क है, कच्ची वर्क लुक है. बहुत सुंदर पल्लू में भी ऑफ कोर्स वो जरी पल्ला आएगा. वीविंग कलर lovely rani color, sober rani, not the loud colored rani, but very attractive. And here is the blouse piece. साड़ी में इतना काम है, ब्लाउज में सिर्फ बॉर्डर में काम है. Two very rich festive color I will show you, rani and the black red. So आज आप देख रहे हैं मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी मिलाकर कितना सारा वैरायटी फैब्रिक हमने दिखा रहे हैं. बहुत सारा फैब्रिक, बजट फ्रेंडली फैब्रिक, थोड़ा प्योर में जो थोड़ा 10 के ऊपर होगा. हर रेंज हम कोशिश करते हैं दिखाने के लिए क्योंकि आपको ऑफ कोर्स पॉकेट का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. इसलिए संस्कृति tries to satisfy all customers. रेड, ये सब प्योर टसर में एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. 11,900. अब एक चिनॉन दिखा रहे हैं हम, पार्टी वेयर अगेन. satin chinon with RE embroidery. 8200. Beautiful sari. Look at the tassels, gold and black tassels. Wear it with a sleeveless halter blouse or a full sleeve blouse, a collared shirt. This is the blouse piece. It will be in black. This is the sari. Very, very attractive sari. Very different. See the work, and it is totally in Ari Kashmiri. This is not dhaga. This is zari. Very smart piece. Of course, black. Another super hit embroidery. Last time I'd shown few more earthy colors. Too many enquiries. Now this is another new color that has come up. Lovely shade of pink. Unique combination comes with this blouse piece. Very, very pretty. Pure tussar. Any confusion, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to message me any time of the day or night. I'm there for you. I love talking about my products because these are all in-house manufacturing. So I can tell you a lot of things about each and every piece that I display. Whatever you want to know, just shoot. A white color silk organza with another lovely, see, attached organza where we've done this pitan zari, embellished with pitan zari, lovely, lovely border. Border work is with applique number 25, 10,500, an amazing concept with a work blouse piece. The blouse piece, here is the blouse piece, and it has very sober embroidery in the blouse piece also. Best part is the white shade, and the border is in smoky lavender color, very very pretty onion shade border. Superb sari. Even in the border, I remember I had experimented with a black border also, but this is looking black and white. You know, many of you already have. So this combination कैसा लगा? है ना, अलग कुछ अलग चीज है ये, एकदम नया. These are, as I said, all festive collection for you this time. Don't miss out any of the sarees. All the sarees are very very rich and gorgeous. And again, thank God I didn't miss out the back side. I really want to show my back side more than the front side, क्योंकि साड़ी ऐसा चीज है जो आपका दोनों तरफ दिखेगा, और जहाँ पे दिखेगा वहाँ पे फिनिशिंग इमैक्युलेट होना चाहिए, और वो संस्कृति कोशिश करते हैं जितना हो सके. The two beautiful hanging sarees are tussar with handwork again woven. Those I had shown a black base. This is a chiku base to just give it a tussar look. Katha with handwork and hand embroidery palla. Price 4990, totally handwork. Blouse piece 4990. This is a peach coral, this is a dark peach or orangish color you can say, and this aqua color. दोनों कलर बहुत सुंदर है. ये आप किसी एल्डरली पर्सन को भी दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें अटैच बॉर्डर नहीं है, लाइट वेट है, लाइट कलर है, सोबर कलर है. दिन रात कभी भी पहनिए, बहुत ही सुंदर है, और हाथ का काम किसी सबको पसंद है. Blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border work, and don't miss out the कितना काम है ये, थोड़ा सा सामने से देखिए. Lovely shade also. Border में पूरा काथा work है. Check this. And the one that I'm wearing, again another lovely sari, and this is tissue tussar. The fabric is superb, sober, not too shiny, yet it has a sheen because it's tissue woven. And the border में देखिए, it's just self on self embroidery, beautiful. 13,900 with little mirror work. This is actually the tribal lambani done in machine. ट्राइबल लंबानी से इंस्पायर्ड होकर ये एक्सक्लूसिव मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद मिरर वर्क इन अ टिश्यू प्योर टच. Very unique, I must tell you, ideal for weddings. So this is the coral color, the red tone. 13,900, number 26, the red tone. And I'm wearing, and this is the back side, okay? See the back side, again the finishing. And I'm wearing the pinkish tone of the same tussar, tissue tussar. मशीन लंबानी, ट्राइबल लंबानी जो मशीन में किया है, बहुत सुंदर है. With this blouse piece, 13,900. $13,900, the pink shade. And the neck piece that I'm wearing, 5,500 with stone setting and polki. थोड़ा सा और लंबा कर सकते हैं. I didn't because I was showing the sarees. और tassel से थोड़ा सा और लंबा हो जाएगा. 5,500 comes with this earring. और ये है 4,500 set of 6. 2 थोड़ा broad, 3 little narrow, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2 sizes available. Pink and green stone setting, 4,500, 6 piece का. Next, another shade. Okay, इसमें color में फर्क है. Okay, mine is more a Rani color. This is a bit of magenta tone. 3 color options in this tussar. This comes with a contrast blouse piece. कारीगर का मूड, लेकिन अच्छा ही लग रहा है. नजदीक करीबन कलर है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा फर्क, इसलिए तीनों कलर हमने दिखा दिया. सुंदर तीनों. और एक तो है क्या? ठीक है. Okay, these comes with the contrast tussar blouse. So 2 sarees with a running blouse, and the next 2 sarees are with contrast blouses. So whichever you like, you can. This is a reddish tone, very tomato red tone, very pretty shades, very festive shade, and ideal for weddings also. Very pretty shades. So the previous one was a turquoise blouse, and this is with a green blouse. Reddish coral with a green blouse. Very pretty, and the best part, बहुत light weight भी है. टसर है लेकिन light weight है. बहुत सुंदर. Now, showstopper. क्या है ये? एकदम नया पीस है. ऑर्गेन्जा जो जरी के साथ वीविंग है, पूरा बूटा. सिल्क ऑर्गेन्जा विद जरी बूटा वोवन. अगेन वीव कट आउट द ऑर्गेन्जा एंड अटैच टसर. डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग कलमकारी विद जरी वर्क. सुपर फेदर वेट, लाइट वेट साड़ी. टसर border. Previous one what I showed had tussar body and kora border. This has the kora Banarasi body and tussar digital kalamkari border. उसके साथ आ गया ये आपका ब्लाउज पीस. बहुत सुंदर इसका प्रिंट है. ये डिजिटल प्रिंट. ये जो राजस्थान में आप जो वॉल आर्ट्स देखते हैं ना, वो फोर्ट में शीशे में, उसी से इंस्पायर्ड होकर ये मुगल प्रिंटिंग बहुत सुंदर है. This is a ash color, light ash, not white. Remember, that's not white. That's a light ash color, and this peach tone. 2 बहुत सुंदर. एक थोड़ा सा अर्दी सोबर है, एक थोड़ा सा रिच लुक है. दोनों बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही अनकॉमन है. एक्सक्लूसिव अनयूजुअल साड़ी के लिए आपको संस्कृति में आना पड़ेगा. 2C कॉन्फिल रोड, बालीगंज, कोलकाता 19 and 12 जामिल लेन, बालीगंज, कोलकाता 19. What we are providing बजट के हिसाब से आपको हर वैरायटी, हर किस्म का प्रोडक्ट्स, सूट्स, दुपट्टास, टेलरिंग सब मिल जाएगा under one roof. Please visit and look at the work. The work and the concept is so unique, different. Available only in Sanskriti. Thank you so much for watching till the end.